The same type of 360 automatic rotating milling insert as POKOLM from Germany. Every point of the 360 wears evenly, with zero waste. It enables ultra-long continuous processing without the need for frequent manual disassembly and replacement. It automatically rotates and processes while rotating the edge, and rotates the insert while processing, while distributing and sharing the processing pressure. It performs ultra-long and efficient milling, significantly improving your efficiency. How do you think this technology will impact the manufacturing industry?